Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you some delicious chicken patties. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I've got my shredded chicken breast over here, and it's been cleaned very well. I'll come in with some onions and garlic. I'll squeeze in some lemon juice. I'll come in with about 3 tablespoonfuls of full cream milk. Now I'll put this in the blender and blend it up till it turns very smooth. So after blending, this is what we have here. I'll go ahead and break in 2 medium-sized eggs. I'll go ahead and blend it some more. And yes, here we are. It is ready. I'll just put it in a large enough bowl. I'll come in with some soy sauce, some chicken seasoning, curry powder, white pepper, green Thai curry, paprika, rosemary, ginger powder, and I'll just go ahead and give us a good mix. Come in with a teaspoon of parsley, 2 to 3 tablespoonfuls of regular flour. That will give us a final mix. It is resting. I'll get a pan and come in with some oil. So I'll take small amounts of the paste and put it in the frying pan. So we're doing this on low to medium flame. I'll fry them till it turns golden brown, then go ahead, flip them over and fry the other side as well. You need to make sure you fry them very well since it's chicken. As you can see, it is ready. I'll just get them out of the oil. Chicken patties are ready. You definitely need to give this a try. As you can see, it's well cooked in the middle, and I bet you can't stop at one. I hope I did help you, and I hope you're gonna give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.